I asked my audience on Snapchat what they want to see for this week's YouTube video, and one of them literally said, "We want to see what you do the entire day." So that's what we're doing today. You know, when people think of content creators and what do content creators do on a day-to-day basis, they assume that all content creators do is travel the world, dress up well, and go to fancy events. I know it sounds like our life is really glamorous, it sounds like our life is really fun, which it is, okay? But on most days, this is what we do. For example, a brand reaches out to me for a collaboration, okay? So the way it works is the brand will send me a script, okay? Like they'll send me a brief of this is what we want in our video. So according to the brief, I have to brainstorm and send them a script. So scripting takes about 2 to 3 hours because like I have to brainstorm, come up with a video idea and then type down a script, send it to the brand. And the brand will have like 100 changes. They will not like the script at all. So we have to do the script all over again. Finally, when the brand likes the script, they will ask for like an outfit and a background approval. So once that gets approved, we finally set a date to shoot. So today I am shooting for 2 brands. Yes, sometimes it happens, but I shoot for 2 brands in one day. Now, in case you think shooting for a brand must be really fun, not really. Because shooting for a brand is like following a script, okay? We are following a script and shooting the video according to the script, which is a lot harder than doing something like this. This is more organic. This is me shooting for myself. Shooting for myself is much more easier than shooting for a brand, honestly. Because brands have like a lot of requirements, right? Which is fair considering the amount of money they put on us. Like it is fair that they have so many demands. The next step is to start getting ready, and that is exactly what we're going to do today. I'm going to start getting ready to shoot for a brand. Also, I recently installed this mirror in my studio space. Isn't it so cool? Because like, okay, so it has Vogue written on it, right? Obviously. But what makes it cool is the fact that my clothes are hanging in the background. So it's really giving Vogue, you know what I'm saying? And I also got my hair colored. Yeah, I know. You guys literally saw me last week, and in a week the amount of things that have changed in my life, crazy. But this is my new hair. It's very gray. It's literally ash blonde. It's right now it's looking ash, but once I wash it once or twice, it will start looking like the color that I actually want. I literally got my hair colored last night, guys. Hello. So this is my outfit for shoot number 1. Nice and casual, but also like a little semi-formal, which is perfect. I have this script written on my phone, and this is the background that the brand has chosen. So I'm going to quickly shoot this. I just got done shooting for brand number 1, and since this is a time sensitive campaign, I'm gonna quickly edit the video right now and send it to the brand. And because I have another shoot after this, I'm gonna quickly order myself a salad bowl. So nowadays my go-to order is crispy peri peri chicken rice bowl from California Burrito. I don't get the rice, but I just get the salad bowl, and I love it. It's so good. So I get this without any rice because I don't want to eat rice, and then I also get no fresh tomato and onion salsa, and I also get the no grilled onion and capsicum. I don't know why this is not available right now. And then I get it with guacamole, corn chips, sour cream, and melted cheese. So yep, that's my go-to order, guys. So yeah, by the time this comes, I'm going to quickly just edit the branded video and send it to the brand. Damn, just look at this, guys. It looks so good. Also, yes, that is a safety pin on my hair. Do you like it? I think it's so funky. It's so cool. But yeah, let's have my lunch. I had this for dinner last night. Oh my god, I'm having this like twice in a day. So usually when I have long shoots like I have today, I don't go back home, have lunch and come back, because it kind of interrupts my flow of working. It kind of interrupts my creativity level. I have changed into my outfit number 2. I look so cute. I actually wore this outfit once on a date. I went on a date with a guy, okay? And I wore this outfit, and I was looking like so cute and all that, and he actually told me also, you look so cute. And the date went well, but then I just went out with him once. I never went out with him ever again. And right now I'm just like single. I'm not even going out on dates anymore. And this was like what 1 week ago, I think. Yeah, 1 week ago I went out with this guy. He had amazing curly hair, and I always wanted to go out with a guy who has curly hair. Okay, so he had curly hair, and that's why I went out with him. It was actually going really well. It was a really good date. But then I just got a bad feeling about it towards the end of the date, which is why I never saw him ever again. And he was like really nice and sweet. Okay, I feel kind of bad for like rejecting him and not going out with him on a second date, but I don't want to lead him on. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I saw a future with him, then definitely, yeah, I would go on a second date, but I don't see any future with him. And yeah, I just did not want to ignore my gut feeling. I went with my gut feeling. But yeah, this outfit will forever remind me of that date and that guy. He was sweet, he was cute. And see, I know I told you that I will stay single for the rest of the year, but like, I don't want to shut myself out of love and relationships and the possibility of finding my man. You know what I'm saying? After my breakup, I've gone out with like 3-4 men. Yeah. One of them I actually vlogged it for my YouTube channel as well. But yeah, I went out with these guys. They were nice, they were cute, they were fun. But like, I think I am emotionally unavailable right now. I'm not looking for anything serious because I'm just so traumatized. But yeah, I don't mind finding my dream man someday, you know. Let me show you guys the entire outfit. So it's this top, and I'm wearing shorts. Okay, I'm gonna quickly shoot for brand number 2. For some weird reason, I feel like taking a picture of myself with this. I don't know why. So I'm just gonna do it. This is too much pressure, man. Okay, wait. Shh. Everybody shut up. Shh. Let's just pray it's good. Oh my god. Okay, not bad. Wait. Let me show it to you. Ew. Okay, I'm gonna do one more because I'm looking way too scared in this one. So basically this camera has a timer. I'm gonna take it in a timer this time. I don't want to take a selfie. Please be good, please be good, please be good. Oh my god. Right next to my entrance, I've done this little Polaroid wall over here, which I think is so adorable. It has all like my favorite pictures with my friends from traveling and all of that. So now I'm gonna put the pictures that I just took. Like, are you kidding me? These pictures are so cute. I'm gonna put them like over here. This is honestly such a wholesome wall because now anytime anybody comes to my studio space, they can always see this. They can see the kind of life I have. They can see my friends and stuff like that. It's just so cute. I just love this wall. I think it's so wholesome. Okay, and these are the pictures that I just took. And I think they're so cute. I like the little vintagey kind of effect, you know. And also like my whole background wall is just making it look even more vintage. It's so cute. I love it. I'm done with my shoot and I'm quickly doing a just aiming session with my Snapchat audience. So just aiming session is basically these sessions that I do on Snapchat where my audience recommends songs to me and I vibe to the songs with them. So right now somebody has suggested It's So Easy to Fall in Love by Olivia Dean. And this is the person that's recommended it. So yeah, I just basically play the music and start vibing. But yeah, I'm gonna do this for like half an hour and then I'll talk to you guys. It's so easy. I just got back home from the studio. I'm gonna get dressed now and go for an event. I'm going for the Anastasia Beverly Hills event and the theme is pastel. So I'm gonna quickly get dressed and show you guys my outfit.